Top Tracer is a camera-based system which we've installed on the driving range to give range users and members added games and information when they're having their practice sessions. Well, it's really for everybody. For the serious golfer, it's a great way of collecting data of the shots that they're hitting from practice. I see this more as an enjoyable tool for golfers to use, perhaps with friends, with family. So we've got 8 bays available for use. You can reserve these bays by contacting the Golf Academy, and we'll be having the range open until 10 p.m. in the evening.